You want to know how to include tax on the product price? I mean Shopify sales tax? That's very easy, less than 1 minute. So the first thing you're going to do is click on products from the left menu right here. Then after that, click on inventory menu. And after that, click on this check mark right here to select most of the product, but not all of them. To select all of them, click on this select all in this store. This will select all the product on your store. After that, click on this option right here that says bulk edit, and it will open up this spreadsheet style. And after that, click on columns beside the save button at the top right corner and scroll down a little bit, then enable charge taxes. After that, you're not done yet. You should see some products are not enabled by default, as you can see. So here is a pro tip. Instead of enabling each one separately, will take you forever. Simply, you see this first one right here, enable it. Then you see this blue button, the blue square, sorry. Simply hover over it, click and drag, let go, boom. Then do the rest, do for all the products if you want, or manually select which one you want to charge tax and which one not. After that, click on save. Now you're done. And that's how you include the taxes on the product price on your Shopify store. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them below. But for now, I think my job is done. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.